Ever since we settled into our new place and our new spot, we've been surrounded by nature. And of course a few cheeky cows that are keeping us on our toes.
Just where it was needed, gleamed in black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Gussie, baby.
A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt.
Well, you look at us moving on up in the world, hey? Life is no longer difficult when you buy yourself a trolley.
Yeah, Charlie. This is like the luxury. I mean, why didn't we buy it in the beginning?
Exactly. Anyway, Christopher has got all of our brick slips that we've just bought this morning. And we're going to be putting that around the fireplace.
Yeah, baby.
Now that we have everything back at the boats, there's a couple things that we have to finish off first before I can brick up this area over here. And that is just putting on the last two ceiling boards. Okie dokie, so we have prepped the roof. The roof is now done. We're just prepping the sides. Well, Christopher is anyway, because once I'm down there I ain't getting back up. But prepping the sides so that we don't mess on our panels. And then I'm going to give it a bash. I will be bricking it up, baby. Bricking it up.
Yeah, so we got our tile adhesive, we got our little brick slips that Priscilla's going to install today. I thought I'd let her do this because that way I can't get told I'm doing it wrong. So she's going to tile the brick slips all the back of the fireplace. That's going to be our backsplash. We already have our fireboard installed and our log burner installed. The flue is already through the roof and we've tested it. There's no leaks. It's working like a dream. So yeah, we're pretty keen to get it finished because it is the centerpiece of this room and I think it makes the home feel, we've definitely chosen the right spot for it because it makes the whole home feel like really homely. When you're sitting at night watching TV and watching the fire, it's really epic.
Yeah, and to note, it is super toasty. It definitely does the trick, and we're not going to freeze this winter. I should hire you more often.
Yes, I have prepared the job for you.
Fabulous.
Are you a bricklayer?
Well, I'm gonna pretend to be one today.
It's gonna work out one way or the other, but it's gonna be done.
Okay. Right, I'm just about to get down, and once I'm down, I'm staying there because I ain't getting back up. Guys, it's becoming difficult. This whole pregnancy thing, I'm telling you, it's not for the faint-hearted. Oh. Okay. Just bring me a pillow. I'll have a nap. Alright, I'm going to get started on this side of the fireplace to get the right dimensions. Once I have that going, then I can move myself forwards, backwards, and then upwards. Let's see how we do.
The last brick. Perfect.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is the other one going to sit flush?
Yeah.
Really?
Good enough.
It is like we know what we're doing. Yeah, I mean, if you need me to brick up your house, please, by all means, call me. I charge by the hour. Happy days. That's good. Happy with that.
Okay.
I like to see visually what I'm doing. Christopher likes to use a tape measure. I'm just like, let me just make sure. Just make sure. Anyway, I like it. I can't wait to get this done, actually. All right, let's do this.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. One more high tide, miles in spring. Rain, little trout, and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, gold. I'll follow only
Alright,
gold.
well that looks good. Let's move on to the front then, shall we? My workspace, please. Needs to be cleared.
Yes, boss. What do you need?
I need to sit over there now.
Okay.
Oh, it looks so cool. I just love it. It's amazing. Like, it's just like small, it's the finishing touches now that makes such a big difference. I'm absolutely in love. I just love it. So rustic.
Golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon.
Oh my word. I feel like a 90-year-old lady. Woo! Okay. I guess I won't be sitting on the floor anytime soon. Oh my gosh, my hips. Right, well at least that's done. And it looks spectacular in my eyes. I think it looks quite fancy. Rustic. And now we have to wait for everything to dry so it can set in place. And then we can mortar, cement it up and finish it off. But I am getting ahead of myself because I haven't got to the back yet. So, you know, another hour or so.
Are you enjoying yourself? It's a very successful day so far. I think we're going to finish the rest of it tomorrow. But at the moment we're heading to some friends for a braai or barbecue.
We play a game. The game is Spot the Goose.
Wow, there's so many of them.
Oh, baby.
Alright, jump, jump.
Also, our trip to the boat has become a little bit more adventurous. When we first arrived, this over here, there wasn't any water in it whatsoever. It was dry, 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 dry. And since we've been here, it is now full, full of water. The willies are going to have to come out. Hi, baby. Feeling the chill.
I mean, it's a bit fresh. I think it's because we stood outside for the last few minutes as well, without a jersey and without any socks on, while we were chatting to the guy on the boat behind us. Because the other night we came home, strangely enough, his boat had moved from in front of us to behind of us. And he banged on our door this morning. He's like, "What happened?" And I was like, "What do you mean?" So, yeah. Somebody moved his boat or something, and it wasn't him. So
And a fair distance, not even like
Yeah.
a little bit.
and they've parked it right next to the house for some reason. So not sure about that, but luckily it's safe and sound, and the owner is now reunited with his boat. So we're gonna help him move it a little bit further up and re-anchor it, and hopefully one day we'll get to the bottom of it.
Yeah, it's a bit of a strange one actually, because we thought he might have gone away for like the weekend or something, and he wanted us to look after his boat because there is some wind coming in this week. So we thought, a bit strange that you want to park on us, but you know. Here we are, and now we've come down to the realization of the boat being moved by someone else. Maybe the cows ate the lines up. We have no idea. We weren't here, but we were here yesterday and there was been no activity on the boat, so we shall be keeping a lookout now, indeed, and hopefully it doesn't happen again. Christopher started us a little fire.
There's a packet of
Alright, so Christopher's just helped him move his boat to basically a little bit further behind where he was, but in front of us, facing the correct way that he wanted. So yeah, bit of an odd one, guys. Bit of an odd one. Once we helped out with moving the boat, we got back to what was feeling like a never-ending fireplace. We also had ourselves a subscriber pop in and say hi and see how we're doing on the boat. Not only was he generous enough with that, but he also figured that once this baby's popped, I get to pop this. So he brought over some moe and he bought some beers for Chris, and Barley got some treats as well, so he was not left out at all. So thank you very much for popping by and saying hi and bringing us all these goodies. We absolutely are so excited to pop this.
So we're still working on the fireplace. It's day 3. Priscilla's taking her sweet time, but the nice thing about it is we're not in a rush.
At least the other bits of it are dry.
Alright, look, it's looking pretty good. We're going to show you the reveal in a minute, but There's
Not
a few
in a
more
minute.
bits.
They
There's
won't be revealed just yet.
There's a few more bits to do. She's trying to push ahead. I'm trying to tell her to chill out because look at this. Look at this belly.
Hey.
I mean, it's bigger than mine, for goodness sake. So yeah. But it is a lovely day. It's sunny. I got home early from work, so we're gonna try and do a few things. We're conscious that it's raining tomorrow, so I'm gonna do some welding outside. There's 2 holes in the boat that have been there for a while. They're now causing an issue. So, being the rainy season, so we're gonna try and weld them up. Priscilla's gonna try and finish
that
this
off.
section, and then on to the next task.
Probably not today.
You need to relax. She doesn't want to listen. Please tell us in the comments if she needs to relax.
I can't relax. I need to be done so that then I can relax.
Running down the same road like so many times before. I've never felt this lonely, but I'm trying not to show. They said it would be easy, still I'm giving all I got. I just wanna tell you something. It must have been something I forgot. All this time, it was never enough. So please slow down. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. I'm taking the long road, running on empty. I'll be better this time around. I'm going where you go if you let me. I promise you better days, only better days. Running down the same road, hope it leads me somewhere new. Making up for lost time, gonna make it right by you. They said it would be easy, guess I never thought it through. My head's been in the wrong place when it should have been with you. All this time, it was never enough. So please slow down. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. I'm taking the long road, running on empty. I'll be better this time around. I'm going where you go if you let me. I promise you better days.
I have to go down to the merchants tomorrow and I need to get a few more welding rods because we've got a few more welding jobs that we need to do before the winter because we are planning to do a bit more maintenance on the outside of the boat. I've got a couple of holes to weld along this side and a couple of holes on this side. So I think I might just pop to town tomorrow, grab a couple more rods and obviously a new torch gun or what you call this stick welder. So yeah.